I'm shy today. Hi guys, today is a very special haul. This is probably literally my favorite haul ever. The clothes that I'm about to show you, hands down my favorite clothes I've ever gotten through online shopping. These are absolutely gorgeous. Like, I don't even have any explanations for them, and you're about to see it pretty soon. One thing I'm gonna tell you is, sadly, I ordered like 3 things from Urbanic. So this is going to be a winter haul, by the way, and I ordered 3 things and sale chal rahi thi and it was pretty hyped. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था I'm literally in person shopping for it because मैं कुछ भी डाल रही थी, it was like either my size is not available because you guys know I love XLs and Ls. मुझे मिल ही नहीं रहे थे. I just saw these and I was like जल्दी कार्ट में डाल दिया. And then I saw one more thing which was so cheap. It was for 600 and it was like a full coat kind of vibe with little bit of fur thing going on. I put it in cart. थोड़ा और scroll करी थी और कुछ देखने के लिए. उस चक्कर में जैसे ही मैं checkout पे गई, it got out of stock. So I'm sorry, there are only 2 things from Urbanic in this haul, but I'm telling you it's gonna be worth it. But to make up for those anyways, जो मेरे पास already एक jacket थी which is pretty cool, मैंने सोचा कि मैं देखती हूँ if it's still available on Myntra because I got it from Myntra. तो वो भी मैं दिखाऊंगी. Okay, so now let's talk about the packaging. But the packaging was pretty cool. It was in a cardboard box which was very unusual because clothes मैंने कभी भी cardboard box में नहीं देखे हैं when I have ordered personally. बहुत ही अच्छे से पैक था. उसके अंदर ziploc packets में ये products थे. You just got a peek right here. Now I'm gonna start with this one. If you all know, I really dig oversized looks. थोड़ा सा अलग ढूंढने की कोशिश करती हूँ. This is very beautiful furry kind of jacket. I got this in size L, which is large. That was the only size available right then. Let's talk about the price. So the MRP of this is 1990. Sale pay, it was on 60% off and I got this for 796, which is pretty good for this jacket. Overall discount मुझे 300 और मिला, like इसके अलावा और 300 ऑफ मिला and then 89 ऑफ भी मिला, which is the payment discount. So you have to check कि आप क्या क्या अप्लाई कर सकते हो, right? उससे और ज़्यादा ऑफ मिल जाता है. So this is the jacket. It is extremely beautiful. Like, I don't even know if camera is gonna do the justice to show you how beautiful this is in real life, but I'm telling you, like, as soon as I saw this, I was in love with it. This was like love at first sight. Okay, this is like a dip dye kind of thing going on. The furry thing is like so soft and warm. It goes all the way inside too, so it's just one piece of material that's been used here. अंदर कोई अलग से lining नहीं लगी है, so it is थोड़ा सा पतला comparatively to other jacket that I got, but I'm not saying it's like gonna be cold. It's really warm because अंदर भी furry feel होता है. If I put too much light on me, तो ये इसका print उतना अच्छे से दिख नहीं रहा है. I'm gonna lower the brightness so you can like see how it actually looks. Since it's a light color, if I decrease the brightness, you'll actually see the print clearly. So this is the next thing. I love it. Let's talk about the pricing. So this one is थोड़ा सा expensive. The MRP of this is 2,590 rupees and on sale it was for 40% off. Sale पे इसका price था 1,554 rupees. Again, like I said, 300 or 89 का discount भी overall इस पे लगा and I got this for pretty cheap. I got this in size L. Large. Let's open it. Do you see that? It's like a blanket. Oh my god, this one is so classy and so elegant. One thing I don't like कि उन्होंने इतने छोटे पैकेट में इसको घुसा दिया. थोड़ा सा बड़ा सा पैकेट होना चाहिए था इसके लिए. I'm literally, do you see how it opens up? Do you see that? I'm sorry, I am a person who gets so excited If you touch it, you're not gonna keep your hands out of it. It's just extremist. Like when you see this, when you touch this and you're like, that one was a good quality, and then you're like, how do I explain this? Because this is way more softer than that. Okay, it's like a literal teddy bear. Okay, if you see the close-ups, the fur is absolutely undescribable. I cannot describe this fur. There are two pockets at front, which is so big and so comfy. This is really thick. You can see how thick the material looks. They have used big hooks just to give this like a discreet look. The cut of this collar is absolutely beautiful. It's like wo jo coat hote hai, formal coats, वैसा वाला cut hai. The color of this is desert shade hai ye, sand shade. I'm just kind of making some words out of like nowhere. अंदर में इसमें lining लगी हुई है. This silky synthetic material होता है ना, kind of like that. I don't know which material it is. थोड़ा सा raincoat material. Okay, so let's just talk about how long it took for this to come, because I get this question a lot. So I ordered this on November 5th and I received this on November 24th. So it takes a long time. I was like really disappointed. I was like, दो ही चीजें हैं. So I thought I will show you one more thing. ये मैंने अभी नहीं लिया है. This is like, I had this कुछ समय हो चुका है to after I bought this. I found this on Myntra. It is still there. This is from the brand Roadster. I was like, why not show you this? You guys can check it out. That's the whole point of this anyways. This is a jacket. This is an olive green jacket and इसकी hoodie के अंदर white furry thing है. This is from the brand Roadster. And इसका MRP है 1299. When I got this, तब थोड़ा sale था. मुझे roughly याद है, it was like I got this for 700 something. And right now I can see 30% off है. Like right now the price of this is 900. A week ago the price of this was 800. So it's fluctuating. So I would say keep checking it. अंदर की तरफ वो warm कंबल वाला feel है. And then जो hoodie है, hoodie पे beautiful furry vibes है. I don't know why I say vibe for everything. It is like a sweatshirt material, but this is crop length, so it's good for winters in Pune or Mumbai, or you know, if you're like living around here where it's not very cold. So this is good. I love it. I wear this all the time. मैं ये office में पहन के ज़रूर जाती थी. This was it for today's haul. I hope you enjoyed it. This was pretty quick, chota haul. Yeah, so let's talk about future things. What's coming next? Most probably Ajio winter haul. You guys were like requesting that a lot, so that's gonna be up. Yeah, go check out my hair coloring video and make sure you follow me on my Instagram because I am fun. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and all of y'all, I love you so much. I love you guys. You guys are so precious to me. Always so supportive. Anyways, I hope you have a lot of fun. I hope you're happy. Hello? हाँ पापा?